Weather tells us about the air, or in other words, atmosphere of our planet Earth. It is about how hot or cold is it outside. It helps us select a suitable type of clothing. As shown in the weather symbols, we have different types of weather. The weather can be sunny, rainy, windy, cloudy, or snowy. Sunny weather is in which the sky is blue and there are few clouds to block the bright sun. It's perfect for swimming. Windy weather makes the tree swing and sway, and blow the leaves away. Partly cloudy weather is, in which the sky is not totally covered by clouds. Whenever a cloud comes in front of the sun, it blocks the sunlight to reach us, making it shady. Cloudy weather is in which the sky is completely covered by clouds. Possibly it might rain. Rainy weather is in which the water vapors in the clouds come closer to one another, making water droplets, which start falling in the form of rain. When water vapors do not get the chance to make droplets, they fall as snow, so we experience snowy weather.
If you like this educational interactive video, check out our complete range of educational digital course books. Visit our website at sfpublishers.net to discover more. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Also press the bell icon and select the option of all notifications. In this way you won't miss out any fresh upload of ours.